Good day, everyone. I am John Matthew G. de Guzman from Colegio de Muntinlupa of the Civil Engineering Department. Now, I will tell you the experiences from my OJT training program. The content of the said video presentation would consist of the company's profile, our team, activities, engineering problem, conclusion, and some of the documentation taken by my OJT period. Design Coordinates Inc. or DCI is one of the leading domestic provider of the construction project management services in 1978. Its founder is Oscar Salvation, who led the highly skilled and competent professionals in the industry. It consists of technical staffs, architects, and engineers. DCI, they are always ready to take on new tasks with honesty, discipline, and teamwork. And now, for my team, in the designated site given by the company, I have learned and experienced a lot of things. Insight or life-wise advice was given to me and my fellow trainees. I found out to give more efforts on communicating with different people in the industry. Each of the engineers and architects in the site has taught me a lot of things I haven't figured out. The opportunity gave me knowledge that opened a world for me to discover new things and experiences. One fundamental takeaway was that we should always get the contacts of each other. It was given to me by Archie Villarreal. It was a piece of advice that brought me thinking, why does this advice should be kept? And then it hit me. Because contracts or contacts are very important in this industry. We can get resources from the contacts we had found from our previous work. Along this, we can take an example. When we need things from the site, we simply can ask someone from our resources or the contacts for those resources and hope that they can have something up their sleeves. Now, my activities in my training are mainly about monitoring and site visitations, estimations, reading of plan and organization of documents, which are fundamental in a progressive growth as an individual. Here are some of the engineering problems I encountered when I was visiting the sites. First of all, which is the honeycomb in columns and beams, and we can address this and resolve this with one of the easiest solutions for these types of problems are the chemicals called epoxy, where it can repair the honeycombs in the area. Now, second is the insufficient length of splicing. One solution can be correcting the splice length by redoing the splices. Third would be the cracks on slab. One example or one solution that can be used is the cracks repair. Applying the proper crack filler to small cracks will help them heal. Another one would be the epoxy again. Epoxy has a lot of things that can be used, and the epoxy injections is a useful tool for sealing larger cracks and preserving structural integrity. Now, in conclusion, the journey has been a roller coaster ride for me. It has given me a lot of talent that you or we can use outside and inside the job. I gained communication skills that is necessary for this type of job for us to keep creating and building our future. And now, here are some of the documentations that was taken by me. Project 1, Mixer Trucks and the Cubic. Project 2, which is the saddle for water tank. Project 3, the parapet wall in the mechanical room. Project 4, bathroom formworks. Project 5, the AAC blocks for walls. Project 6, the parapet wall in a roof deck. Project 7, would be the slam test for concrete. Project 8, using vibrator for the concrete mix. And Project 9 would be the elevator panel in the mechanical room. These are some of the documentaries proven the activities presented early. And that would be all. Thank you for all the love and support that was given to me. This is John Matthew Chidi Guzman, DCI Quantum Residence Tower 2 trainee, signing off.
Move your body to the rhythm. Feel the heat, touch the ceiling. We could get it in a minute. You'll be dancing, I'll be grinning.
Go ka.
Yung isa wala, dito.
Hindi ko sinama.
Ay,
Bisa mo!
akala ko may tao din.
Hawa ka.
Okay. Iyak yun yung pag-inter doon sa kabila.
Yay! May mangyayari pag nawala yung power supply. So, dapat, yung napagpapanin yung pelikula, dito yung mga flooring, no? Fake yun. Dapat mag-level siya.
Kaya sila yung mga ano dito.
Teleserye lang yun.
Sino daw yung mga nasa movie.